Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two amazing mesh systems from TP-Link. We have the TP-Link Deco AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system on the left half of the screen and the TP-Link Deco AXE5400 mesh system on the right half. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Now, let's dive into the comparison. Let's start by comparing the prices of these two mesh systems. The TP-Link Deco AX3000 comes with a price tag of $109, while the TP-Link Deco AXE5400 is priced at $299. It's worth noting that the Deco AX3000 offers an affordable option for those on a budget, whereas the Deco AXE5400 provides a higher-end option with advanced features. When it comes to Wi-Fi coverage, the TP-Link Deco AXE3000 covers up to 2,500 square feet with just one unit, making it suitable for most homes. On the other hand, the TP-Link Deco AXE5400 offers a massive coverage area of up to 5,500 square feet, ensuring that even larger homes or offices can enjoy seamless Wi-Fi connectivity without any dead zones or buffering. Both mesh systems utilize the latest Wi-Fi technology, but there's a slight difference. The TP-Link Deco AX3000 features Wi-Fi 6, also known as AX3000, providing high-performance Wi-Fi speeds of up to 2,402 Mbps. On the other hand, the TP-Link Deco AXE5400 takes it a step further with Wi-Fi 6E, offering even faster and more reliable connections. With speeds of up to 5,400 Mbps, it's perfect for scenarios where multiple devices require heavy data usage. Both mesh systems come with remarkable features. The TP-Link Deco AX3000 is equipped with AI-driven mesh technology, which intelligently learns and adapts to your network environment, ensuring optimal Wi-Fi coverage tailored to your home. Additionally, it supports wired Ethernet backhaul for better speeds, making it a versatile choice. On the other hand, the TP-Link Deco AX5400 introduces a brand new 6 GHz band, exclusively dedicated to Wi-Fi 6E traffic, allowing it to unlock the full potential of Wi-Fi 6. Alongside AI-driven mesh technology, it ensures uninterrupted Wi-Fi experience wherever you are. Both mesh systems are compatible with all major internet service providers, including Comcast, Charter, AT&T, Verizon, and more. However, please note that a modem is typically required for most internet service providers to work with these mesh systems seamlessly. That brings us to the end of our comparison between the TP-Link Deco AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system and the TP-Link Deco AXE5400 mesh system. Both products offer incredible Wi-Fi performance and coverage, catering to different needs and budgets. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave us a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.